Good evening. I wanted to come and talk with the board members tonight about an issue that the district has had for many, many years. And it's one that you really wouldn't think would be happening in the year 2011, but it's one of racism. And you say, oh, well, she's talking about racism. How does that affect children in Sacramento City Unified School District? And I'll tell you how it affects. It affects children in the district because when you hire multilingual, you have a multilingual department, they go out and target bilingual students of different ethnicities. But you haven't hired anyone to target the African American community. You partner with African American community members and you give them a little bit of money, and then you leave the responsibility of that support for the community on the African American community. But you disallow the African American community partners that you partner with to come in and fully integrate services with your school district. Our children are nothing more than commodities in this district. You're not willing to let them go to anyone to really provide services to them, yet you hang on tight every time someone comes up here to try to gain access to the children to provide services. But you have not presented a plan before the public and how you will target the achievement gap for African American students failing in this district. But you have created a policy that deals with zero tolerance, and your superintendent has a great relationship with Chief Brazil. And that zero tolerance policy sends kids to jail. It gives them real felonies, because if a child utters the word F-U, then that child is in the jailhouse downtown. And I will say that in the year of 2011, understanding where we are today, understanding the board's responsibility to ensure that every child gets a basic education, this board has not presented a plan to the public to ensure that African American children are making meaningful progress in this district. And that's what I hope to see the board work on.
Thank you.